I just wanted to share some creative resources that I found helpful. So the first one is if you do mockups for brands or for class projects or whatever you need mockups for, this is a cool website, benditomockup.com. There's just all sorts of stuff for posters, shirts, boxes, books. The next website would be this website. This is Texture Labs, as it sounds like. There's just a bunch of textures on this website. There's whatever you can think of. If you're doing creative projects, there's just a lot of free textures that you can apply in interesting ways. The next website, I love this website. It's called True Grit Texture Supply. There's a lot of stuff that costs money and it's great. If you do a lot of projects in Photoshop, Illustrator, Procreate, Affinity Clip Studio, they give you a sample pack for free if you just sign up. Yeah, so here they have this free stuff category with over 100 free brushes, texture swatches, vectors, and templates. This is a cool website if you're looking for a color palette, you're looking for some color palettes. You can adjust how you want the lighting to be based on the project. I want it to be darker or lighter. You can say I want there to be more pigment, I want it to be super bright, almost neon, or I want it to be more muted colors. This is a website called Design Inspiration. It is what it sounds like. There's just a lot of design inspiration on this website. This is a website called publicwork.com. Just interesting things that are in the public domain on this website. If you're looking for inspiration, this is a really cool place. Or if you need to do a collage piece or something, this would also be a cool resource. Their website's really cool just to look around at. Yeah, so clicking on this card of this animal draws up all around it now. I can see a bunch of other similar designs and cards. Hopefully this video shared some helpful resources for artists, designers, videographers, whatever creative project you have going on.